Hi, my name is Dara Maria Unicoin, and this is Tall Stories, Turning Presentations into Conversations with the Presentation People. This course is designed to help non-native English-speaking professionals overcome performance anxiety when presenting in English. Learners are not new to the topic, as they are upper intermediate English speakers who have experience giving presentations in their native language or L1. As these learners are all office-savvy professionals, they will have basic digital literacy and access to the internet. This is a self-paced course, and all content is available on the Canvas LMS for the duration of the course. Learners should, however, use a desktop for quizzes due to limitations in the LMS when accessing from a mobile device. Course activities have soft deadlines, but all content is due before the final course conference. This course combines communication skills with composition and grammar, addressing the needs of professionals who are required to improve their presentation and public speaking skills in English. The design process for this course is a mix of ADDIE and backward design. As the course is designed for adults, development will make use of theories in andragogy, so course content attempts to answer the "what's in it for me" question. Page 12 of the design document goes into more detail about the theories involved in development. The course addresses the overall terminal objective. By the end of this course, the learner will be able to create and deliver engaging presentations using a variety of both linguistic and paralinguistic tools, as well as a series of enabling objectives as illustrated here in the design document. Assessment for the terminal objective is measurable, a live group presentation during which learners are expected to apply the knowledge and skills learned in a situation which simulates the workplace application. Enabling objectives, such as participants can recognize the importance of a range of communicative devices and the importance of vulnerability and authenticity as a tool for giving great presentations, or participants can identify the most suitable discourse structures and linguistic tenses according to the type of discourse they need to create and use them to compose effective communications. Also have measurable assessments. The schedule of content and activities shows a clear alignment between pain points and the objectives. Navigation through the LMS is quite easy and intuitive. To the left of the main page, students can click into the elements of the course, such as modules or course files, while to the right they can see their to-do list, which includes links to the assignment pages. By clicking the modules link on the dashboard, we have full access to course content, including the course information module here. In this module, learners can find information about course requirements, standards, and links to some tech and language tutorials for any learners who need to refresh their memories. Learners can also download the full 6-page PDF course syllabus here. While a slimmer, streamlined version of the course syllabus has been embedded into the LMS, found here. During week 1, learners will learn how to identify, select, and analyze effective communication techniques for presentations. During week 2, learners will learn how to select and create the most relevant visual linguistic elements for their message and compose meaningful discourse. During week 3, learners will learn how to create and implement relevant storytelling elements and communicate effectively throughout their presentations. Participants will work through a series of explainer videos, video lessons, interactive course materials and activities, knowledge checks, discussions and self-reflective activities, as well as activities in which they have to apply their new knowledge and skills. I used the OSCQR course design review to evaluate the course. Despite a positive quality assurance result, the course does show a number of weaknesses. There is an unequal distribution of content across the modules, and some sections are quite theory-heavy, which goes against the problem-based learning principle of andragogy. A few of these course pages also need revising, as more white space would be helpful. In future versions of this course, I would hope to include a range of H5P interactions so as to offer a more dynamic learning environment. I also intend to use case studies, including speeches and presentations from which the speaker is not a native English speaker and in which their L1 accent is evident but non-impeding, so that I can develop activities dealing with clarity of pronunciation and accents. The scope for developing this current course is immense, so in the future this course may well become a learning pathway made up of several niche topic or micro-learning courses. Overall, despite the need for some editing and revisions, Told Stories is a fairly solid communication and presentation skills course, which makes use of current knowledge in both public speaking training and second language training in order to equip learners and professionals who are required to use English as a lingua franca in the workplace.